Check out the size of that trumpet vine for hummingbirds. It's like a giant shrub and it covers up the whole utility post. But you do have to be careful with those, I was told. It's good to put some type of border around it so it doesn't creep into other areas of the garden. Okay, you need to come out here to Nature's Eden, 28 Mile Road. They still have lots of veggies in the back. Dills, peppers, tomatoes, eggplants. I thought I saw, what else did you have? Collards, squash, cantaloupe. I saw cantaloupe. Lots of hanging baskets that are gorgeous and sales on 4-inch pots. And a little bit bigger pots too. There's some lavender here. Holy smokes. $1 lavender. And these are in pretty big pots. Like 3x5 pots. Here's some of the African daisies. Lots of geraniums, some eucalyptus. This whole greenhouse over here is full of them. Full of pots. Hanging baskets. You should come and get them. Because they're on sale. They're half off. So the ones hanging in the back are originally $21, guys. Half off of that. And then big baskets like that. What did you say, were $50?
The big pots are half off, so they're about $26 for the big pots.
So the big pots now are about $26. These are huge things. They would look awesome on your decks or on your porches. Come and get these things. Come and rescue the plants. You need to come here. See, $26. Look at these pots. They're huge. Rescue the plants.